Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a few quick and easy styles to do on day 2, 3, and so on. With curly hair, you never know what it's going to look like, and so sometimes you just have to wake up and evaluate, and I'm going to show you a few styles that can help with that. So the first style I'm going to be doing today is super easy, and it's actually very helpful if you sleep on your side, like I do. So what I'll do is just get most of the hair that kind of gets squashed from the side and just pin it back kind of in that area. If you have a few cute curls to leave down, then do so, but it looks good all pulled back as well. And I will just pin it with a couple of bobby pins. You want to secure your hair with one and then make sure it's crisscrossed and extra secure with another. And this will just depend on the thickness of your hair. You may need more bobby pins if you have incredibly coarse, thick hair. One other thing that I'll mention that helps me tremendously with keeping my curls fresh and more defined day to day is sleeping on a silk pillowcase. And y'all, you can get on Amazon, I think they're like $30. They're not gonna break the bank, but they help tremendously with your hair, and I think they help prevent wrinkles too. So it's definitely a win-win. Go on Amazon or wherever and get your silk pillowcase. So yeah, this is my first hairstyle. It's super easy. It helps there to be a lot of volume on one side. So you can even sweep all your hair to that side and help it be extra voluminous. All right, one tip that I want to give you curly ladies is if you just wash your hair and you went through all the trouble of styling it out, don't put it up right away. If you put your hair up, it will impact your curls and make them kind of squished and all that sad stuff. So if it looks good, wear it down, let it shine. So with my first and second hairstyles, I would probably do them day 2, and I'll show you what that second hairstyle looks like. So I'm just going to be taking a lot of the hair that is on top and doing almost like a half up, half down. Now I will let you in on a little secret. I love my face framing. If you are going to a hairstylist and getting a haircut, definitely request face framing if you have curly hair. It just helps. You have all these little curls and it's just so fun for different hairstyles, and it helps it be less harsh right on your face. Fluff up your hair, pull on it a little bit, help those curls to pop, pull a little bit out of the front, and you're all set. You have a quick and easy, really cute and playful hairstyle for day 2 or 3. Okay, so this last hairstyle is my favorite for when your hair just really doesn't look cute anymore. The curls are gone, they set so long, and you're just not quite ready to wash it again. So let me show you how I do it. I begin by just taking it in a really low pony. If you do still have some cute face framing, leave that out. Tie it around twice, and then on the third time, I'll bring it through just halfway. So I just brought it through halfway, and then I'm going to take all the hair that was left out and twist it, pull it around, and tuck it under. So that part is super easy, as you can see, and there's just a couple other things that I want to mention that really take it from being blah to wow, she spent some time on that hairstyle and it looks amazing. So the first one is just pulling out. That one got stuck. I'll kind of tuck him back, but just making sure it's soft around your face. And then the second is giving yourself volume, pulling all this upward, so to give yourself volume in the crown. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was 3 easy ways to style your messy, dirty hair. If you enjoyed it, please comment below, like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Thanks again.